we're working on trying to develop and we've gotten some great successes so far in implementing a fish sanctuary through the help of Mel Tennant with the Orcabessa Fish Sanctuary and what they have been doing there and the successes they've had. We're looking forward to see how we can implement it here in Orcabessa. It really is the sustainable answer for our reefs.
What we've been doing actually is liaising with the fishermen, and it's really the impetus is really coming from the fishermen, because what they've realised is that the fish are getting less and less, and they're now beginning to question why and what can they do and how can they improve on it.
Jamaica Inn is leading the way amongst the hotel owners of working with the fishermen to set up a fish sanctuary in this area. And once that fish sanctuary is set up and then they start to see the benefit of more fish, then they can start looking at the coral, because you can't replant the coral until you've got the fish cleaning the reef. So hopefully what we're looking for over the next 2 to 3 years is a big improvement in the environment in the water, as well as many more turtles on land.
This year we've had about 15 nests and a very successful year, and this is just, we've had growth year on year, and this now is probably our this year we had 2,000 turtles leaving our beach. So hopefully in the next 10 years we'll see them returning to lay on Jamaica Inn's beach.
Fishermen are going to be now out of an income, so maybe some retraining, and so all of this requires some money. So that's where we see the foundation really getting involved in this fish sanctuary, and it's really exciting because it's going to be good for everybody, and we all grew up here, we all knew there were fish and shells, and we're all looking forward to it coming back.